Hi, this is Kevin with KGM Jam, owner of ProAdvertisersClub, a totally free site to advertise. Go to ProAdvertisersClub.com and join for free today and start advertising for free. Okay, you're looking for free crypto. This is Pipeflare. You can join in the link below, and all you have to do is you come play the games. These are independent contractors that make these games for Pipeflare, and they get proceeds when people spend money on the games or donate or anything like that. But what you can win just by playing the game is the Flare token, which right now it's at like 0.0000. It's real low, and you want to get these before it pops. Okay, I've been doing this site for about a year now, and the site just keeps getting better and better. Now you see those golden little globes that I'm getting, those are for the leaderboard. And if you place in the top 25 or something like that, you'll win free crypto. But what you're looking for in this game is purple flare tokens. And just by, if you see up there on the left side, I got the number 74. That's what I've won today in free flare tokens. And you can withdraw it to your wallet if you have one, or you can stake it on site. And I've been staking all mine. And so now I'm not a financial advisor. List me on risk. This for entertainment purposes only. But they've got about 8 different games, and they're adding more all the time. And in every one, you can win Flare token. And I'm about to start getting some right now with this upgrade. I should. They come in droves. Sometimes you don't see any for a few minutes, and then all of a sudden they'll start raining down. Of course, as I'm shooting the video, they won't show any, but let's see how long it takes me to find some. And what you get, those little square boxes like this one coming. Okay, there's the golden, and that's a laser upgrade, which is great. That usually will trigger a flare token rain. And let's see if I can find some here for you guys. Must know that I'm recording. now Nud's coming down. Okay. But if you die, if you have hearts, you can just renew and keep going. And if you run out of lives, you just got to watch a video, an advertisement, like 7 seconds, 11 seconds, and then it restocks your lives. So you can play forever, all day, and just accumulate. I had a big run here. That's how I got to 74 already today. But I try to get, there's one. Here comes one right there, right there. Boom. And I missed that, but you know what? The flare token's more important because that's really why I'm playing it. This is what I used to call a Hail Mary. It's where you don't need a lot of money to see. Now I'm out of lives or hearts, so I'm just going to watch an ad. If it will let me. There we go. And then I'll be restocked up with lives. But the concept I put out is you don't need a lot of money to make a lot of money in this time and day and age, because especially with them giving away free crypto. And this has not popped yet. It just got listed. It's actually been out for a year, but it just got listed a few months ago. And so it's very, very cheap. And if it ever does pop, which, nothing's guaranteed, but like I said, there's another one right there. See that purple? Then I got to come all the way over here and grab that upgrade. And I've been playing for a year. The site's got better and better. And they now put out their own NFTs that if you buy the NFTs, they got utility on the site, which gives you bonuses. And it's just gotten better over the year. And it's, like I said, it's now listed. So yeah, the link's below. If you sign up, it helps me out as a referral. and come make some free flare crypto while you can until, who knows when they change things, or if it does pop and go. Let me get up here. This is getting crazy. But if it gets up in value, uh, at this price, it's going to make you a lot of money. Let's see where I'm at here. Um, right here. Let me go to my account. Or actually, I want to go to stake, and I'll show you how much I've been able to make just messing around a few minutes a day on this site. And if it ever, now it gives out free crypto once a day for Zeke, Sheeb, Matic, and One Flare. Okay, the Sheeb you got to have an NFT to get. That's one of the things, but they pay out, and then they do airdrops about 10 times a month on these different crypto. That's all free included, except for the Shiba that you got to have that NFT. But hold on, let me see if I can get it. It's kind of buggy here since I'm recording. Let's go to the staking, because I stake all mine. I don't have a wallet to pull it out to say, but I just keep it on site here and stake it. But yeah, I've gotten a total 14,729. And I've gotten 79 today. So, I try to get, I'm very busy, so I can't spend as much time as I want, but it's adding up. And the Flare token up here, we can see it. I got it on the scroller. We'll see exactly what it's worth. By the way, things are popping today. And let me tell you something. If you haven't checked it out yet, you need to check out Immutable X. Immutable X is going to be a rocket. My opinion. I'm just saying, go check it out. Go research it yourself. There's Immutable X right there. It's jumped up to 206. They're about to get OpenSea, Coinbase. Here's the Flare token right here. 0.0006. It's up 2.5%. Anyway, this is when you can accumulate crypto for free at this kind of price. When it does pop, if it ever does, I mean, nothing's guaranteed. If you've accumulated at such a cheap price, then that's incredible. But anyway, links below. Please like and subscribe. I'm always showing sites like this. I'm always trying new stuff, and I'll spread the knowledge, spread the news. Thank you for watching, and have a nice day.